In this video, you'll learn how to use the Aggregate Processor in Qlik Cloud. We'll show you how to group data by dimensions, calculate metrics like averages and totals, and export the results for further analysis. First, go to the Create page and create a new data flow. Give the data flow a name, select the appropriate space, and click Create. Open the Data Flow Editor and click Browse Catalog. Select the dataset you want to use and choose the fields you want to include. When done, click Next, and then load into Data Flow. In the Assets panel, go to Processors and drag and drop the Aggregate Processor into the editor and connect it to the dataset source. In Group By, select the dimension you want to group by. In this example, we select Age Group. In Aggregate Fields, select the field to aggregate. Here we choose Purchases. Under Operation, select the aggregate function. In this case, we choose Average. In Output Field Name, enter the name for the new aggregated field that will be created. Click Apply to execute the aggregation. In the Data Preview, you can see a new column displaying the average purchases by age group. To perform additional calculations, click Add New to include more aggregation operations. In this example, we add another aggregation. Select the Purchases field and choose Sum as the operation. When done, click Apply. This calculates the total sales grouped by age group. Finally, add a target to store the aggregated data. In this case, we select Data Files and connect it to the Aggregate Processor. Select the space, give the file a name, and click Apply. Now let's run the data flow. The exported dataset will now be available in the catalog for use in further analysis. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.